I may have some bad news about the Galaxy A73. Stay tuned. What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. But we have some leaks on the new Samsung Galaxy A73. We have the specs, the price, and the renders. So super excited about this. Now, there are some things that I think you guys will be disappointed in about this phone, and one of them may actually be a deal breaker. So let's get into this. It says the A73 will pack a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a centered punch hole for a selfie camera of an unknown resolution and a fingerprint reader underneath for biometric authentication. These are obviously the same specifications that we received on the A72, so really nothing different there. Going on, it says a source says the panel is expected to have a 90 Hz refresh rate, but a previous leak claimed it will go up to 120 Hz. Now, taking a look further into the specifications, it says this device is going to be set at 90 Hz. Hopefully, we have a Christmas miracle and it goes up to 120 Hz, so that'd be absolutely beautiful. But it looks like we're only going to have a 90 Hz display on this device, so again, same as the A72. Going around back, it says we'll get a quad camera system headlined by a 108 megapixel primary camera, but the purpose of the rest of the cameras remains unknown. So hopefully with that 108 megapixel camera, we get a sensor upgrade, hopefully from a previous S-line device to get that quality up, because in my opinion, the photos on this device for the price are pretty lackluster. I feel like a sensor from a previous S-line device would definitely make the A series a much more desired line, because they do have a more premium feel other than just physical traits, but inside of the camera would be great. I did have some issues occur on previous A series devices as far as like graininess and stuff like that, and the 4K and 60 frames per second on the video recording. So hopefully we do get some upgrade in the sensor department on there. But other than that, we went up from 64 megapixels on the A72 to 108 megapixels on the A73. Moving on to the render we got right here, it looks like we are actually going to have no headphone jack. And I went ahead and verified that on the GSM Arena specifications website. It says we are not going to have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, I feel like this is going to be a deal breaker for a lot of people. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. And I really hate seeing no 3.5mm headphone jacks on phones, because that's honestly just the beginning of the end. It seems like for devices, they start off taking the headphone jack out and then you don't even get a charger in the box anymore. Like, I don't know what's going on. Hopefully they stop slowly, but it's going to be inevitable that we're going to, go down the line of devices and they're just going to minimize everything, and honestly that kind of sucks. But tell me in the comments down below if this is a deal breaker. Furthermore, it says the Galaxy A73 will be powered by the Snapdragon 750G, run Android 12 out of the box, and have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage on board. But you can expect to have more memory options, as we did on the A72 and the A52. But it does look like the Galaxy A73 is going to be getting 2 more gigabytes of RAM than the previous A72 base model had, so that's honestly great to see. That is an upgrade. It says the A73 will also pack a 5,000 milliamp battery that will draw power through a USB-C port, obviously, up to 33 watts. It says the smartphone will be 7.6 millimeters thick and have a plastic build, polycarbonate. Very nice feeling build that they had on the A72. They're probably going to have it on the A73, it looks like, because the renders are so similar. But this is actually a really nice build. Really quick, just want to say it is a polycarbonate build, which is condensed plastic, and actually does feel really nice. And I actually love the new form factor that Samsung brought to the A series line. So honestly, that plastic build, not bad at all. Really do like that. And it will come IP67 rated. And it says, in fact, the A33 and higher models in the A series are said to come with water resistance next year. So that's always a good thing. But as far as the 33 watt battery that we get in this device, I'm hoping they give us a wall charger that is rated at 33 watts as well, because they have the audacity to give us a 15-watt charger and a device that we paid $600 for that has 33 watts, that is very well capable of charging at 33 watts or 35 watts. They need to go ahead and change that, and they need to put the correct charger brick inside the phone. I feel like that's honestly unacceptable, and it should be charging at that rate. And if you guys are going to go ahead and say, hey, we have 33 watt hour charging, and you're going to go ahead and advertise it, put the charger in the box, please. Like, we don't like that. Come on, you can do better. And going down below, it says the A73 will be offered in gold and black colors and is said to launch with a price tag of $440 US at the end of the month in India. The last bit is surprising since previous reports claimed its production wasn't expected to kick off before Q2 2022. So it looks like we are going to be getting this device in India the end of December. So we're probably going to get it a little bit later in the United States. And tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. But yeah, guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. Hopefully I did give you some value. If I did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing. If you're not part of the Tech Gang already, also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.